Here's how to create your first verified Furnished Unfurnished listing step by step. Start at Furnished Unfurnished's List Your Property page, the entry point for a new monthly rental listing. Open the builder. You can resume an existing draft or start a brand new listing. The builder walks you through 11 sections, one at a time. Step 1. The basics. Add your title, property type, description, and contact details. Step 2. Location. Set the address and place it on the map. Step 3. Details. Set the rent, furnishing, unit specifics, and house rules. Step 4. Amenities. Mark what is included with the rental. Step 5. Photos. Upload your gallery and choose a cover image. Step 6. Availability. Set when it is open and your minimum stay. Step 7. Notifications. Choose how you want to hear about new inquiries. Step 8. Documents. Upload proof of ownership or management. Step 9. Review. Check the whole listing the way a renter will see it. Step 10. Subscription. Complete the listing subscription step. Step 11. Verification. Submit for the compliance and verification review. That's it. Review, subscribe, and submit for verification. Once approved, your listing is live for renters to discover and inquire.